Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. It's time that I'm going to need all of your help at home. Please could somebody identify the coin that is on the screen now? For the first person that does identify it correctly, they are going to get 10 points towards the top commenter of the week, just for helping me out, and hopefully that can get you some prizes. The first leaderboard of the top commenter of the week will be going up at some point today. I'm a little bit behind with that, just still with the house move, but hopefully by the end of next week we'll all be moved in and I can get back on top of everything on the channel again. If you haven't played along on the top commenter before, it runs from Monday till midnight on Saturday. Sundays don't count because it's prize giving day. You get 3 points for the first comment on any of my videos, 2 for second and 1 for third. The person with the most points will be crowned the top commenter of the week and win the overall prize. This week it's stacked with A to Z coins, a perfect time, especially now those mintage figures have been released. Great chance for you guys to get hold of some super rare coins. And there's a couple of prizes up for anyone that scored at least 1 point as well. So please do help me out, and as always guys, thanks for watching.